Okay guys, so here's what it looks like plated, not plated up, but it's done. So that's what it looks like. So we're using our spatula to grab a hold of it, if we can, without making a mess. Alright, no, okay. Not happening. We gotta use the other one. Okay. Thank God, that's why we have, no. I don't know why. I just, alright. Hold on guys. I gotta remove. Okay. Try this again. Try to lift it up. There we go. Ooh, stringy. I know there's a lot of... That's the only thing I don't like about it. Okay, it's a little hard to... Fucking mess. Don't want to go in there. This is why I like fucking shit covered. Okay. Alright, that's enough for now. Cover this up. Okay. Alright. Oh Lord. I got shit hanging there. Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna cut this off.